Welcome to the basic mission number 3. In this mission we have a clue that goes like this, quote. This time network security Sam remembered to upload the password file, but there were deeper problems than that. End of quote. So to pass this mission, we need to start digging. The best way to find clues is to see the source code. Right-click on the password field and select Inspect. When we have the source code open, we can start to find some clues. At top of our password field is a hidden input field. That input field has value of password.php. I bet that it's Sam's password file. Let's take that value and paste it to the end of this URL. After the value is pasted at the end of URL, press enter. There it is. You have found the password. Now copy the password and paste it to the password field. Press submit. Congratulations, you have passed basic mission 3.